Hello, fellow creatives. I am Aditya, the founder and creative director of XAXs Corps, and I'm better known as XAXs over the internet. In this tutorial, I'll teach you a better way to vectorize images by tracing them in Illustrator. So, let's just create a new artboard. Now, usually, when you're trying to have a handwritten feel in your creative, you can just use some script text, some kind of font that looks like a script handwritten font, but to add some more you know, personality to it, you can also just input your own handwriting and impress it. Now, usually, what you'll do is you will go to image trace, and it does a pretty good job. But now you can see that I don't have any of the white taken, which would usually be the case. That's because I'm using the preset sketch, or you can also add on details, the image trace options. So visual, it has multiple options now, like liner, photo, profitability, etc. And you can also customize it in the advanced where you just need to have the ignore color and white selected. You just switch it off. Now you just hit expand it and you have your vector ready. Let's clear it out a bit. And funnily enough, it's a increment. So thank you for watching. This is our interface. Are interested in this typeface, it is free to download. You can just go to our site. The link will be in the description. So that was it, and thank you for watching. Quite literally, thank you. And if you like what you see, you can subscribe to the channel and you can follow us on our social media at XAXs Corps. And if you are interested to this typeface and other resources, you can visit our website and find resources, case studies, and much more. So hope to see you again in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye, and keep creating and stay good.